Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing a reliable backup and confirming your Divi license. Do this now. Log into Elegant Themes and download the latest Divi zip. Once done, create a full file and database backup and verify it restored on a test site. Make sure WordPress memory is at least 256 MB and temporarily deactivate caching and page builder plugins. These steps prevent failures and speed the update. You're ready to move into the update process immediately. On your staging or local clone, upload the new Divi package through Appearance right arrow themes right arrow add new right arrow upload theme. You should not activate the parent theme directly over a live child theme. Instead, update the parent while the child remains active. Once uploaded, run a quick walkthrough. Check customizer, modules, and page layouts. Make sure custom CSS and functions, PHP are intact. If you use a builder cache, empty it, and test key pages and forms before proceeding to production deployment. After successful staging tests, schedule the push to production during low traffic. Deploy the updated parent Divi theme, then clear server and CDN caches and instruct you to hard refresh browsers. Re-enable plugins one at a time and retest forms, menus, and custom modules. If something breaks, restore the backup immediately. Then enable WP debug and review error logs to pinpoint problems. Use the Elegant Themes support and version rollback if needed. This controlled approach minimizes downtime and ensures a clean update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.